Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for the easiest and fastest way to create high-quality, engaging videos without stepping in front of a camera or spending hours editing, then you're in for something truly exciting. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking AI video platform that's making serious waves in the digital marketing world, Humanify. This all-in-one tool is changing the game for marketers, content creators, affiliate promoters, and online business owners by allowing you to generate ultra-realistic talking head videos in just a few clicks. Imagine being able to create studio-quality videos with lifelike avatars, human-sounding voiceovers, and eye-catching visuals without any prior experience, expensive software, or technical skills. Whether you're promoting a product, building your personal brand, running an agency, or growing your YouTube or TikTok presence, Humanify gives you everything you need to stand out in today's crowded content space. It's fast, smart, beginner-friendly, and designed to help you capture attention, drive traffic, and convert views into real income. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. And of course, the link to try out Humanify is right there in the description below. Don't forget to check it out after the video. Let's jump in and explore what makes this tool such a powerful asset for modern creators and marketers. Humanify is a revolutionary AI-powered platform designed to completely transform how videos are created and shared online. At its core, it allows users to produce hyper-realistic, virtual human, talking head videos without ever needing to appear on camera themselves. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, affiliate marketer, or agency owner, Humanify gives you the ability to produce professional quality videos in record time, all from a single, intuitive dashboard. It's not just another video editor or avatar generator. It's an intelligent video creation system built for the fast-paced demands of digital marketing and social media today. What truly sets Humanify apart is its focus on accessibility and automation. It takes care of the time-consuming parts of video production, like writing scripts, recording voiceovers, syncing visuals, and driving traffic, so you can focus on growing your business, brand, or audience. You don't need any technical skills, expensive software, or prior experience. Just log in, follow a few simple steps, and you're ready to launch attention-grabbing content that looks like it came out of a professional studio. Humanify is built for speed, scale, and simplicity, making it a game-changer for anyone looking to generate results online with video. Humanify is packed with powerful features that make it more than just a video creation tool. It's a complete content marketing engine. At its core is the AI-powered virtual human video generator, which allows you to create lifelike talking head videos in seconds. With just a few clicks, you can generate videos that look like they were produced in a professional studio without ever having to appear on camera or do any editing yourself. It works seamlessly across any niche and supports all major platforms including TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Whether you're creating content for affiliate marketing, online courses, product promotions, or social media engagement, Humanify handles everything from start to finish with ease. The built-in AI script writer is a serious time saver. All you need to do is enter a keyword, a short phrase, a URL, or even a full document, and it instantly crafts a compelling, niche-specific script ready for video production. Once your script is ready, Humanify's AI voiceover generator brings it to life with ultra-realistic voices in dozens of languages and accents. If you want to take it further, the platform includes a powerful AI traffic blaster that pushes your videos to social platforms and gets them in front of the right audience without needing to run paid ads. And thanks to the built-in AI views-to-sales engine, Humanify doesn't just stop at views. It helps you turn traffic into real paying customers, even if you don't have your own product to sell. What makes Humanify especially powerful is its multilingual and customization capabilities. You can produce videos in over 50 languages with a wide range of voice styles, instantly dubbing and translating your content for a global audience. The platform gives you access to more than 60 human-like spokesperson avatars, representing various ethnicities, styles, and professions, allowing you to choose exactly the right look and feel for your message. These avatars feature precise lip syncing and expressive animations that bring your scripts to life with emotional realism. And if you want even more control, you can upload your own presenter or image, even a celebrity photo, and transform it into a talking head video with personalized voiceovers and facial expressions. Flexibility is one of Humanify's greatest strengths. You can start from virtually any input, text, audio, or even speech, and the system will handle the rest. Simply type out your message and turn it into a professional video in seconds using the text-to-video generator. Even if you're working with spoken content, the speech-to-text feature will transcribe it with high accuracy, making it ready for video production or repurposing. Combine these features make Humanify not just a tool, but a complete solution for fast, scalable, and profitable video marketing. Humanify is designed to take the complexity out of video production and give you a fast, simple, and highly automated way to create stunning talking head videos. Everything happens inside a clean, cloud-based interface, no installations, no learning curve, and no video editing skills required. Once you log in, the process flows smoothly from idea to viral-ready video, making it incredibly beginner-friendly and time-efficient. It all starts with content input. You simply enter a keyword, URL, blog post, or any piece of text into the system. Instantly, Humanify's built-in AI script generator crafts a niche-optimized, engaging script that's ready for production. Next, the platform uses its advanced voiceover engine to turn your script into a lifelike voiceover, complete with natural cadence, emotion, and your choice of language or accent. If you prefer, you can also upload your own voice recording. From there, Humanify transforms your script and voice into a polished talking head video by animating one of its 60-plus ultra-realistic avatars. These avatars are designed to reflect a wide range of ethnicities, styles, and personalities, and they're enhanced with precise lip syncing, expression control, and emotion matching to bring your message to life. Once your video is generated, Humanify doesn't stop there. It takes care of traffic and reach too. The built-in AI traffic blaster automatically pushes your content to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, helping you drive free, targeted views without spending a dime on ads. And because Humanify supports over 50 languages and dozens of accents, your message can easily reach a global audience. Whether you're a solo creator, agency, or e-commerce seller, the entire workflow is designed to help you move from idea to impact in just a few minutes. When you invest in Humanify, you're not just getting a powerful AI video creation platform, you're unlocking an entire ecosystem of premium bonuses designed to skyrocket your results. These aren't generic add-ons or filler content. Bonus was carefully crafted, tested, and refined to perfectly complement Humanify and help you achieve faster growth, better engagement, and more revenue. Whether you're new to video marketing or already running a digital business, these extras are tailored to accelerate your journey from day one. First, you'll get VIP access to the exclusive Humanify 6-figure in 60 Days live event, where you'll be handed the exact blueprint and underground strategies the creators use to generate 6 figures with Humanify. This high-value mastermind is packed with insights, templates, and automation workflows you can copy and paste into your own business. Next, you'll receive the Humanify Avatar Maker plus WhatsApp Chatbot, an incredible tool powered by Google Bard and Gemini AI. This bonus allows you to transform your own photo into a high-resolution AI avatar and deploy a smart WhatsApp chatbot that auto-replies to customer inquiries, handles conversations, and even sells for you on complete autopilot. You can also embed this AI bot on your site or store and let it engage leads while you sleep. You'll also receive the Humanify Traffic Booster, which unlocks top-secret traffic generation tactics that are proven to work across platforms. It's all about driving more eyes to your videos and converting that traffic into profits. For even more income potential, you get the Humanify Video Streaming Portal, which allows you to launch your own Netflix-style streaming site, no coding or expensive developers required. You can stream your own content or license videos and get paid for views, ads, or subscriptions. Finally, the Humanify social media app brings it all together, letting you schedule, share, and publish your AI-generated videos across all major platforms for maximum exposure. From automation to monetization, these bonuses transform Humanify from a smart tool into a complete income-generating system. When it comes to value for money, Humanify is in a league of its own. For a limited time, you can get full access to the entire platform, including all its powerful features like the virtual human video creator, AI script generator, multilingual voiceovers, traffic blaster, and the views to sales engine, for just a one-time payment of $16.95. There are no monthly fees, no hidden charges, and no upsells required to unlock the main features. This pricing is a rare find in a market where similar platforms often charge $30 to $100 per month just to access basic functionality. With Humanify, you're getting a lifetime deal that gives you unlimited creative freedom, full commercial rights, and the ability to scale your video marketing without breaking the bank. To make the deal even sweeter, Humanify is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, making your purchase 100% risk-free. In fact, the creators are so confident in the platform that they're essentially saying, "We'll pay you to fail." If you use Humanify and don't get the results you expected, or you simply decide it's not for you, you can request a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. This guarantee gives you the freedom to try Humanify with total confidence, knowing you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. And that wraps up our deep dive into Humanify, one of the most impressive and affordable AI video tools we've seen this year. If you've been searching for a simple, cost-effective way to create high-impact videos without recording yourself, hiring expensive editors, or spending hours behind the scenes, then Humanify is the solution you've been waiting for. It combines cutting-edge AI technology with real-world functionality, helping you turn scripts into stunning virtual human videos, drive targeted traffic, and even convert views into sales, all on autopilot. So if you're ready to create videos that stop the scroll, grab attention, and drive real results, now is the time to take action. Click the link in the description below to get started with Humanify today. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews, tutorials, and tools to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.